this is what Maxine had to say after listening to a tape that was played about stuff that was relating to her. So go ahead and listen to what she has to say about this and the situation. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel as always. Have a great day.
Drinking and smoking, we take the better out. This is Ashanti. You go hear 13 too because everything what Ashanti said 13 said. Did Ashanti just really said what he just said? Did he just, me have to play it over and over, bring it to for my sisters to hear it. And they're like, oh my God. No, oh my God. Did he just really? So, guys, this is very... A message. Look at she goes. Jennifer, why are you from you? Dirty porky, rotten porky, mad woman. Where I send message over here for the bad now I hear from. Number one, I never sent you no message, nasty, stinking Ashanti. Never sent you any message. And Jennifer asked me my permission to send it to you because you are liars. You 13 and your whole crew are liars. And I called Jennifer and I said, Jennifer, I didn't only just call Jennifer, I called Maureen Vassell too. And I said, here, oh, Ashanti, they cost the two of you, Ashanti, none of you different from the other. In confused. Him and 13 confused. Me no know what confuse him, but he's sick, delusional, and confused. So, Ashanti, I know she sent it to you. I know, and I talk it on my live, so it's not a state secret that you got it, Ashanti, you stupid ass. It's not a state secret. I talk about it on my live. I know you got it. Go watch Kinkin Bella. Well, I'm rapping like you, and Bella, I need rapping like you. I feel that. I say, our father have sex with that. Eh? Will you look up at me? Message. Look at she goes. Jennifer, why are you from you? Dirty porky, rotten porky, mad woman. Where I send message over here for the bad now I hear from your mad woman. Go watch Kinkin Bella. Well, I'm rapping like you, and Bella, I need rapping like you. I feel that. I say, our father have sex with that. Eh? Will you look up at me? You never lie. Even when you're going to report our father, the Asian man downstairs. But I'll call the job on him to you. And that boy enough fair work, they'll be checking out. The people at picnic, that Orlando. Ashanti, you see that Asian boy? He's a boss, man. Boss. 3 business. Yep, 3 business. He drove a truck. He have his own line. The same clothes them what you they wear. Dirty thief, the same clothes them what you they wear. That's his line. So who you think you're gonna report would be the last person you report under this hurt. Go ahead and report him. Wherever you think you can go and report him, go ahead. Cherise, no uno see your grand glory and laugh at me. No uno see why my heart bleeds so much. Because you know, say me pick him up from off of the street in the snow and show him gratitude. I cry morning, noon, and night. I don't cry for nothing else. Nothing else. You know what me cry for? The day that I met, the day that I come into contact with Donna Marigo. That day when I made contact with Donna Marigo, because of Donna Marigo, all of these ingenerates and dirty, nasty people can talk about me. Can talk about me. But Ashanti, this is going to be your last. I'm not talking to you no more, Ashanti. Thank you for all this information that you give me. Thank you for all of this information that you give me. The day that I buck up in a you, Laurie and Donna and the whole of uno, because the whole of uno are the same thing. Every one of uno are the same thing. None of uno better than the other. From Donna come right down to the rest of uno is the same keckler fish. And God, they go deal with uno. That God, they go deal with uno some kind of way. You see the other rest of them, me not really care much about them. Me not care nothing about none of you all. But me say, God, they go deal with you. And they go deal with the whole of uno, because uno wicked. Uno is wicked. Oh yes, Barbisha man. Sure. Sure. I know everything good for eat, good for talk.
Yeah. Dirty porky, rotten porky, man woman. Where I send message over here for the bad now I hear from your man woman. Go wash thinking Bella. Well, I'm rotten like you and Bella and he rotten like you. So clear that I say our father have sex with that. Eh? Will you look up me?
Ashanti, if you take your head from under Bella foot, not even for me, if you take your head from under Bella crutches, make Bella get for piss and shit like she normally shit and piss in her diaper without it catching in your mouth, it would be better for you. It would be better for you. Oh yes, Ashanti, it would be better for you. Your worthless, dirty nastiness.
He went to report our father, the Asian man downstairs. Well, I'll call the job on him to either.
What job?
And that boy enough fair work if we check him out.
What job?
People had picnic. That Orlando.
What job?
At the place where man and woman work and all the kids is a tourist area and shit around
You
there.
fucking senile.
Boy for them on the apps. I get in brand and show and in name. Make the people know it's part of molest on it. Maxine, son-in-law, where she sleep with. My daughter. Husband, where she sleep with. And my daughter have a boyfriend too, and husband have a boyfriend. Two of them F the daughter.
Two of them fuck Bella.
Go on trip all the time.
Two of them fuck Bella.
Oh, you are saying Kingston 13. I mean, you are saying.
You confused.
This shit.
You confused.
Oh, yeah, everybody inbox. People come over here, run at them inbox like nobody afraid of your own fault.
Never. Whoever tell you I run in a for them inbox, are them running on my inbox. And I answer them. I have never, ever run into anybody's inbox. If them not have something to say about me and say something about me, I don't say nothing. I have never run in anybody's inbox. Anybody coming at my inbox, me nasty them up. Me nasty them up. So whoever tell you me running on their inbox, tell them to think again, because I never do. Or do no dirty, nasty, liar self. Maxine, don't even put Bella in that position. Bella is beautiful. Thank you so much. Maxine, you and me. You need to stop. Donna never tell Ashanti. Angela Labito. Angela Labito, you don't have no heart, no mind, no shame. You're such a drunk. Let me pause for a minute. Angela Labito, you not tired of people running off of them platform. Angela Labito, what is your problem? You can't find a man or you can't find a girl? Angela? Angela, what you want over here, Angela? What you want? What you want over here? What do you want over here? You kissing all of them ass is not good enough for you, Angela Labito. Angela Labito, what you want? Drunk or what you want?